In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to animate text in Canva presentation. By the end, you'll know exactly how to add motion to your text so your slides feel polished, engaging, and easy to follow. First, open your web browser and search for Canva. From the search results, choose the official Canva website so you land on the correct platform. Once you're there, log into your account so you can access your designs. Next, open your Canva presentation. Choose the specific presentation you want to enhance and head to the slide where you want animated text. Click directly on the text box you want to move. Selecting the exact text box ensures you apply the effect to the right element without affecting the rest of the slide. When the text box is selected, look for the toolbar that appears above your design and click the Animate button. This opens a panel with animation options tailored for text. Now, choose an animation style. If you want something clean and professional, explore the basic options like rise, pan, or fade. These add subtle motion that's great for most presentations. For a storytelling or typing effect, try writing styles. Typewriter reveals letters one by one for a classic typed look, while Ascend brings text on in a smooth upward motion. If you're going for high energy, check out exaggerated options such as bounce, skate, or burst. These are bold and playful, perfect for informal or attention-grabbing slides. If you want full control, use custom motion by selecting Create an Animation. Click and drag your text along the path you want it to follow with your mouse, then release to set that motion path. After selecting a style, fine-tune how it behaves. Adjust direction to choose where the text enters from, left, right, top, or bottom, so it matches the flow of your layout. Use the speed slider to control how quickly the movement happens. Slower speeds feel more elegant, while faster ones add energy. Set the timing to on entrance, on exit, or both, depending on whether you want the text to animate when it appears, disappears, or at both moments. For writing styles like typewriter, choose character or word to decide whether letters appear one at a time or entire words pop in together. As you work, keep readability in mind. Aim for consistency across slides, choose animations that support your message, and use intensity sparingly so the content remains the focus. That's it. Your text is now animated and presentation ready. Save your work, and you're all set to present with impact.